Magandang umaga po ng Tuesday, September 12, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2pm digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2pm result ngayong Tuesday, September 12, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2pm. 3D Lotto 2pm result ngayong September 12, 2023 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2pm. 'See you again later for 5pm result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Tuesday, September 12, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 5.9 million pesos. Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 46 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 63 million pesos for September 12, 2023 Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 2pm video for afternoon of Tuesday, September 12, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.